Hi everyone, this is Dr. Catalana. The purpose of this video is to provide a brief introduction to how to navigate our Blackboard Collaborate tool. So I'm currently logged into one of my gifted education courses for the summer of 2020. This is most likely quite familiar to several of you. So within this particular course, I actually have a tab labeled Video Conference. So all you need to do is click into that tab, and it will bring you to what's called our Blackboard Collaborate Ultra screen, okay? So within this, you see that I have 3 sessions. The first is a practice session, which is currently open, and then you'll see I have 2 scheduled discussions. So students in my course are required to attend either the June 23rd or the June 29th. And once it gets to 15 minutes before that start time, so at 3:45 on 6/23, then you'll be able to click into this. So for now, I like to have a practice session open so you can understand what it will look like. So you would just click into practice, and you have 2 options. You can either choose to dial in. This is if your video option is not working or you are unable to be near a computer. And you would do that by using this number. I do highly suggest that you try to join your session via the computer. So let's go ahead and click in, see what that will look like. So what's happening right now is I am joining the session, and you can see that I have my profile picture already up here. A couple of things to navigate around. This tab on the bottom right, this allows you to see a couple of things. The first is the chat feature. When class is going on, then I will ask you to participate via this chat option, which is very helpful. This will show the moderator, which will of course be me, and then all of our classmates that are participating. Right now it's just me, so I look very lonely. This is more for me if I choose to share content. But I do think it would be very helpful before our first session to log into this area in terms of my settings. So this is where you can upload your profile picture, which I would really encourage you to do. This also allows you to set up your camera and your microphone. So for example, right now, you see this purple? It means that my audio is working. And you would do the same thing for your video as well, okay? So that's kind of a really important thing to know, and yeah, I can just X this out. So during the session, my video would be showing up right here. A couple of other tools to see, you can click this to raise your hand, and that will notify me as the instructor that you have a question or a comment. And then this will allow you to share your video or to share your audio, right? So at certain times, and maybe there's a lot of background noise. I know we have kids, we have family members, we have, I live next to a train station. So that's a great option if you want to mute your background noise so it's easier for your classmates. The last thing to show you is this tab up on the top left. This is our session menu, okay? So if for some reason something goes wrong, you can use your phone for audio. And this includes a lot of helpful hints here. Now to leave the session, I would just click right here, leave session. Usually it will ask you some kind of survey, which you can either choose to submit or not. Please don't be intimidated by this. I am learning with you. So I understand that there are technological problems. That's why I like to provide that practice session so you can go in there at any time. I will say that it took me some troubleshooting. I work via a Mac, and there were some settings I had to change. I recently updated my Mac, and I think it's just heavier on privacy and security, so I had to allow a couple of things. But it should link you to troubleshooting. So if you are testing your audio or testing your video and it doesn't work, it will provide what to do next. Of course, feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Thank you.